Welcome to infyGyan friends. Today in this video, we are going to solve one very interesting log equation log 22x with base 20x equal to log 202x with base 2x, given that x belongs to real numbers. So let's get started by writing for x to be real, x must be positive. X cannot be negative, x cannot be 0. Now our bases cannot be equal to 1. So we can eliminate two x values, 1 over 20 and 1 over 2. Bases cannot be 1. Now I will equate our given equation with u and I will put these two equal, and we can write one equation log 22x with base 20x equal to u. And once we will equate these two, we are going to get our second equation in log form, log 202x with base 2x equal to u. Now we are going to use log form into exponential form conversion. So if we have log a with base b equal to c, which is in log form, and if we want to convert into exponential form, we can write a will be equal to b power c. So I will write our first equation. In exponential form, 22x will be equal to 20x with whole power u. Let's say this is first equation. And if we will convert second equation into exponential form, we can easily write 202x will be equal to 2x with whole power u. This is our second equation. Now we will divide equation 1 with equation 2. So I will write here equation 1 divided by equation 2. We'll write 22x divided by 202x in the LHS. In the RHS, we'll write 20x whole power is u divided by 2x whole power u. Now we know one exponent law, a power c divided by b power c. Anytime we can write a over b whole power c, which we are going to apply in RHS. In LHS, we will cancel x with x. 22 is even number, we will divide by 2, so 11. 202 is also even number, we will get 101. So in left hand side, we can write 11 over 101 equal to, we'll use this property and write 20x over 2x with whole power u. Now x and x will be over. 20 over 2 is 10. So I can write 11 over 101 equal to 10 power u. Now we are going to take log both sides with base 10. Now we will use another log property, log a power b with base a. This will be equal to b. So right hand side would be u. So we are getting u log 11 over 101. Let me write here u equal to log 11 over 101. Now we can apply another log property, log a over b, which is equal to log a minus log b. So I can write u will be equal to log 11 with base 10 minus log 101. Now we will use calculator. We will put values of log 11 and log 101. We will get u equal to 1.0413 approximate value minus 2.0043. Once we will subtract, we are going to get the approximate value of u negative 0.962. Now u is known, we have to calculate x. So we will use our first equation in log form. So let me write here first equation in log form. Log 22x with base 20x will equate with u. So let us simplify LHS first. We know that log a with base b can be written as log a over log b. Change of base formula. Here our bases are 10. Let's apply. We will get log of 22x divided by log of 20x equal to u. Now we will cross multiply. We will write log of 22x equal to u times log of 20x. Now I will write another log property, log AB. This is equal to log A plus log B. So I can write our equation. Let me write equation here. Here it is. Using log property, we can write our equation log 22 plus log x will be equal to u times log 20 plus log x. Now we have to simplify for log x first. We will collect log x to one side. So I can write here log 22 plus log x equal to u log 20 plus u log x. Now we will take log x terms to one side and otherwise terms to another side. So I will take this log x to the RHS and u log 20 to the LHS. We will get log 22 minus u log 20 in the LHS, and in RHS we will write log x common in the bracket u minus 1. Now we have to divide both sides by u minus 1 to get the value of log x. So we will cancel u minus 1 from right hand side. Now u is known. We can use log calculator and we can plug in the values here. So let me write here log x equal to log 22 minus u log 20 over u minus 1. Now our u was minus 0.962. We will get log x equal to log 22. Using calculator we will get 1.3424 minus u. U was also minus 0.962. Then we have log 20. Log 20 is 1.301. In denominator, we will write u minus 1. So we will write minus 0.962 minus 1. So let's simplify 1.3424. Minus times minus becomes plus 1.2515 over negative 1.0962 will be equal to 2.594 over minus 1.962. Now we will divide both the numbers and we can get minus 1.322. So we can write log x equal to minus 1.322. We will convert log form into exponential form. We will be writing x equal to 10 power minus 1.322. If we will write approximate value of x, we can get our answer 0.0476. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.